The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Me a vlog. Easy yourself, easy. Go on, be in the man. It's 8:30. I have 15 minutes. Go on, be in now. I'm going to ring Bob, man. You don't know that number, yeah? Anyway, guys. Okay, copyright. Bam! Put it on my flag. Look, just turn it down. Not turn it off. Just turn it down. Come on. Ciao. Anyway, guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I say I can't play it, you know. Okay. Anyway, guys, so I'm gonna come here for telling you something. I forgot. Anyway, at night time, so I'm starting to vlog at night or whatever. But we had plans today for go out. Jeez, you know. Come on. I see I'm thinking to make last time I could reach late, you know. You don't want to try to kill two birds with one stone. I'm a vlog, yo. Say bit. Yeah. You're going to be here. Maybe we could have locked you up in there. Anyway, guys, as I said, we did forgo out today. No, we've been in the house most of the day. I went to go see my cousin Kim. I'm leaving Portland here in a couple days. So not leaving Jamaica, just leaving Portland for a couple days. We're going on a little like vacation or whatever, and then after that I'm leaving straight to go home. But anyway, tonight wasn't really a planned date night or whatever, but like we had an intention. We saw this restaurant. We went to this restaurant last week. I didn't vlog. Was it last week or the week before? I think it was last week. I didn't vlog at all. But I think I'm gonna vlog tonight because we're going back to the same place. I just wanted to go for the first time, enjoy it and stuff. But because we're going back to the same place again, why not vlog it? I've experienced it before. Well, we were supposed to go to this restaurant in Martin Bay tonight, but they closed at 8 and my uncle had the van today. So when he came back, it was a little late. So, and the place closed at 9. Right now it's almost 8:30, so we can't make that. So we're going to go to the other place that closed at 11, which is Fish Cove. It's in St. Thomas as well. Fish Cove is nice. It's just a nice little spot. I'm tired of chicken. I'm tired of all of that. I'm tired of KFC. I never know someone that's tired of KFC. I'm tired of all of that. So we're gonna go get some fish. I can eat seafood all the days of my life, so we're gonna go get fish. I don't know. I don't know if I'm getting fish tonight, but I think I'm getting fish. They have shrimp too, but I don't trust everybody's shrimp. But picky, you know. Well, my shrimp, because shrimp is my favorite. But anyway, the fish was really good last time, so we're going back. I was trying to convince Mama to come. As you can see, Papa and Shab left, so my grandma is here by herself. I was trying to convince her to come, but she said she not come. So I think I might just get her a fish and bring it back to her. So me and Sweet's going to get dinner tonight. And I low-key didn't, after I figured out that the place was closed, I didn't want to go anymore, but I'm hungry. We kind of left dinner plans till late, so we don't really have much choices right now. So we're just gonna go back to Fish Cove and call it a day. Last time I dressed up and all these things, girl, they pretty bad last time. This time, nah. Not going this time. I don't even think I'm putting on makeup. I probably put on a little bit, because most of the sweets most tired of see the bonnet here, them cane row ear, and them, you know, just was like spiced up a little bit. So I might do that, and yeah. But anyway, that's a long ass intro. That's a long intro for the vlog, but I just wanted to come let y'all know what's up, what's going on. Sorry for the lighting. It is nighttime and I don't have the best lighting, but I'm gonna try my best to vlog and bring y'all with me throughout the night. I'm about to get dressed right now. I'm not sure what to wear. I was gonna wear a dress, right? If I didn't say this before, when my plan to come to Jamaica, I was going to come down here for maybe like 10 days or so. Funeral happened, so I extended it, and I extended it again. I was supposed to leave last week and I didn't leave, and I'm extending it again till next week. So with that being said, I didn't bring enough clothes. I ordered some clothes for my friend to bring to me. Well, Samantha, by the time y'all see this vlog, y'all will know. But for Samantha to bring down for me, but they're not gonna reach on time. So and Samantha's birthday is coming up, and I ordered clothes for that. So now I have one dress left, like a dressy dress left. It's not really dressy, but I didn't want to wear that to Samantha's birthday, but it looks like that's what I'm gonna be wearing right now. So now I'm just gonna throw on a shorts, and luckily I brought some like dressier tops, so I'm gonna put on the top and call it a day. I was gonna wear the pink dress from the, what hall was that, the Fashion Nova hall. I was gonna wear that tonight. We were going to that restaurant, but I might hold on to it. I'm praying my stuff reached Samantha on time, but it didn't ship yet, and I paid for express shipping and everything. It didn't ship out yet, and tomorrow, and then Samantha leaves the next day, so I know it's not gonna reach her. And I'm not buying clothes down here, not knocking it, but like I don't even want that stress right now. So I'm in a dilemma. I have two dresses. I already wore one of them. Nobody really seen me in the other one, but so I can wear it again, but I'm not sure. Anyway, me a blabber now. Show y'all the choices that we have right now. So like I said, I was just gonna put on these shorts. I know they're kind of like, you know, but whatever. I have this little nice little sexy little bodysuit. It's like it looks like a lingerie top, but it's really not. It's just a bodysuit, like a lace bodysuit. Let me spread it out. Oh no, one on there. Spread it out so you can see it properly. So anyway, I don't know if y'all seeing it good because the lighting is kind of just this lace bodysuit. Then I also have this white top that I could wear as well, which I think I'm more leaning towards this. This is from the Shein haul. It's just a little white wrap top, and then I have this top, which I'm not feeling this top. I haven't worn it since I've been down here. I thought I would wear it more, but I haven't worn it. But I want to like to be sexy but chill, you know? And I think this white top just brings exactly that. So I think I might wear the white top. Yeah. And I don't know if I'm doing my makeup. I really don't feel like it, but I think I'm just going to spice it up a little bit. And now we can't get lazy for your money, okay? So you want to get comfortable? Anyway, guys. Who you talk to? You remember I told me before, yeah? Say bet. Bet. Alright, guys, bye. So anyway, guys, I'm ready. Just like it is. Some people don't like me hairstyle. You like it too? Eh? Your favorite flame? Well, I might wear it on my feet. I want me to wear if I go get ice cream. You see how I can there? What you say? What you say? What you say? Me if I don't talk to you, you see me if I talk to you? No joke, bro. No joke, bro. I'm ready. Blouse could I iron though. Oh shit. Blouse could I iron, no lie. Guys, let me try it. The mirror in here, I need to get a mirror in here. It's shake. Guys, I can't do much vlogging just because of the music that's playing. But we can. You order your food downstairs. You order the fish. You pick out the fish that you want downstairs. Tell them how you want it. And you order it and they'll bring it up to you. Just come upstairs for seating. Just won't come back when them songs change. So we got drinks and stuff. Usually it's pretty empty. I guess because it's like a Tuesday night. Ain't nobody really here. But I'll come back because I'm not in the mood because some people not talk to me. I got fries, but they didn't come yet, y'all.